What's up, everybody? I'm the BurningSkyCloud, and welcome back to Never Alone. In the last episode, we finally managed to beat the evil firebender. We avenged our fox. Whee! Whoa! Holy muffins! Right, control. Damn! I think we're getting near to the area where the blizzard's driving us crazy. Damn, that's one hell of a blizzard, man. Damn! Right, down in them. Oh man, the blizzard's really mad at us now. Oh, okay. Fox Spirit, come along. Oh, close call. I missed the little fox. Jeez Louise, what is going on with this blizzard, man? I'm going to get through this no matter what. Oh, what happened? What the... What?
Niverksjärolo kangitka ivaktane. Inyuk pasumarok. Ulemaktu ahalu apun. Siamittaanera. Aasi pihirunnik sillamun. Siammayaaktillu. Siammayaaktin maung apun. Anuremakkuarariga. Aasi aganiroktillugu tungaanun niverksjärolo.
Oh, so here's the cause. We must tell him to stop. He's causing a problem.
Kanogulunga takpingaaniakpik.
Yeah, how am I going to get all the way up there?
Abulait kan, ada cikun majakoniari. Kiwa derigannya.
Oh boy. Excuse me, Mr. Giant, sir. You're causing a bit of a problem for the village that we live in. Alright, maybe I can find something for... Up, here. Okay, so... I can't go that way. Come along, Nuna. Maybe there's something back here. Okay, let's check this way. Did I go in the right direction? Okay, I can't go back up. So I guess I gotta go this way. I guess I am going in the right direction? Maybe? Much of a area in which I need to go to. If I need to go up high, then there's something obviously up here. Alright, no. Oh, okay, here I am. Okay, that's where I failed last time. Seriously? There we go. Got it. Alright. Oh! Come along, come along. Wow, really? Okay, so I'm guessing those things are gonna be sharp. Oh, hi. Oh, I had it. There we go. I have to go back down for a bit. Ow. Okay, yeah, that was dumb. Oh. Curious question. Nuna, please, stop falling. Oh, there we go. Time to climb the ladder. Whoop-a-doop-a-doo. Just wait for the next blizzard to go through. Got it! Ha! Oh, muffin cakes. Oh. Damn. Hey, 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 hey. Oh, you pushed me the wrong way. Up we go, Nuna. I see what I have to do now. The wind blows back and forth. Made it! Are you serious? How do you miss that? Okay, there we go. Good, 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 good. We're back here. Can you give me a little bit of a break? So, which way am I? Oh! Oh! Okay. Just hold on tight, Nuna. I can't seem to understand which way the wind blows half the time. Take your time. Don't be in a rush. Alright, the wind went that way. The wind went that way. Now it's this way. Got it. Oh boy, we're climbing up a giant ice man. There we go. I'm just totes focused right now. We're going to get to the top of this ice dude and we're going to tell him, "You must stop!" Okay, I didn't know if I was supposed to be waiting for the wind or... Okay, yes, yes. Nuna, stop falling down, please. Are you serious, Nuna? No, why do you keep doing this to me? Mr. Foxbeard, you're supposed to be helping me. Now I need the one to go the other way. Up I go. No, I don't need to go down. Got it. Can I start from there? Jesus, this is long. Okay, thank you. We're getting close to the top. Oh, snap. Got it. Alrighty, go Nuna, go Nuna, woohoo! We're doing this. Oh, I think I just got crushed to death. Okay, is she safe here? Oh my gosh.
Mayok tua kanela kami kanganon inyuk pasum. Ibeak siya karualuk sumiksok suruk raute lamenik.
Okay, good. Woo! Whoa, hi, Mr. Frost Giant. So, wanna mind telling us what you're doing? Why you're trying to take down the
Hidik ko manyabot kaya
Adzay?
mauta. Isumarong. Nalunay chok. Aganek pangaresil.
Get it. Oh, no! Ah, muffins. You had one job, Nuna. How could you do that? Got it. Time to the top. Time to the top. Gonna steal his Adzay. Whee! Is there somebody climbing on my arm? Ow, ow. Oh, snap. Oh! I got blown away with the wind. Okay, I'm gonna stay here. Oh, shit. Whoops! I got scared. Wait, hang on. Oh, are you serious? Oh, woo! Alright, what am I doing? Maybe I was supposed to hit the ice? I'm trying to figure it out. Ah! What just happened? What happened?
Paliramik tikinyak tua ulimautek pak. Tigumang ulimautek
Woohoo!
pak
Yeah!
akhilalit nat kayakatahutik.
She's alright, right? Yes.
Inyuk pasum malikatalo ka ang ulait ka.
Please tell me this isn't a chase scene. Oh no, 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 I'm gonna have to do a chase scene. Away he went with the Adze as the big man shoveled the snow, creating blizzard after blizzard. However, the big man soon saw him as he grabbed the Adze and ran off with it. Oh no! Chasing time! Run away! He's gonna kill me! Why did everything want to kill me? From the polar bear to the evil firebender? Okay, I don't know where I'm going at this point. What happened? Oh, I must have gotten swept away. Well, I made a checkpoint. Damn, son. Go. Winter's coming. Winter's coming. Mr. Tree, can you move faster? I have no idea where I'm supposed to be going at this point. I'm just gonna hold on and ride for my life. Excuse you, I thought... I have no idea what's going on at the moment. Oh. That's how I got pushed off the first time. Got it. Whew. Finally, after so many attempts. He threw down a shovel, climbed up from the flat tundra, and ran after Unuksayuka, but Unuksayuka was too fast. Oh, no, not these spirits again! How do I get up? How do I get up? How do I get up? No! Okay, I didn't see that there. I'm just gonna go down in the blizzard, thank you. Which way do I go? Oh, you gotta be kidding me. Fuck. Son of a bitch! I'm in a race against time here. Why does this always happen? There we go. Whew. I am hell of a nervous. I'm focused. I'm not talking much. I know that. But it's like I need to get out. I'm. Whew. Off he had run with the adze in his hand. The big man chased him throughout without catching him. Shouldn't it be her? As long as the polar bear doesn't come back, I'm happy. Come on. Oof. Oh my gosh, I am under a lot of stress. Come on, Fox Spirit, you can do this for me. Yes, got it. Ow! Okay, I did not see that coming. Got it. Wait for it, wait for it. It's just a race against time at this point. Ah, no, I almost made it. Nah. Oh my god. This is nerve-wracking, man. Any day would be nice. Yes, got it. Come along, little fishy. What? No! No, the polar bear! Oh, the polar bear's helping me! Thank you, kind polar bear. No, Nuna, you missed it. Oh, there's gonna be a lot of editing on this one. Come on. Why did you... What? I don't understand what just happened. What? I'm sorry, I'm just, I'm dying a lot and I'm under a lot of confusion. Alright, let's get to it. I hope we're going close to the village. Oh, yay! The blizzard man was not quite... Give me back my answer. Is that how you pronounce it?
Ulimauti kakairo. Nibiak siya karolo. Kau tau tiga ulimau.
Yo!
Ipkili siya halo. Ase. Milok siya te bilugo inyok.
Is he gonna kill us now? Is he gonna be angry?
Kaya check bike yun eh.
Oh, okay.
Ilak tok kahone atu raksirok. Kunok sayo ka hangeng.
Oh, listen to this.
Uli mautiga kailige. Ula kulenge. Ani yubi isiga Kisima Ingitchuna pate.
Caribou feet.
Nibiak siya karolog. Illa titkiksok. Ang ayokagaman yun.
Yay! And the owl man watches from above. Woohoo! Woohoo! Oh, I'm an owl. I fucked you over. The big man has seen his adze being tossed up and out the skylight, and because this made him so happy, he burst out laughing like this. Insert song from...
Terigan niyam nukat piyam ukadlaw tiga nibiak siya karolog. Ilanin inyo niya kalo ako bit. Aul lang agalo ako bit. Ay suli ko bit. Itkaksa kagima.
Oh, how nice. Oh, bye, Mr. Fox! You were cuter in your original form!
Tabraten na nasum unip kakamang tusangariga.
Well, so that was Never Alone. Kisima Ingitchuna. It was an interesting game, alright. There was a lot of dying. Yeah, I did get frustrated a lot because, it's just like, I'm trying to get to one place, but, Nuna's, I'm having a lot of trouble with the jump. And half the time, Nuna keeps falling through the spirits and kept dying. And that's one of my problems I had with this game. I know it wasn't a glitch or anything, but it's just like, she just wasn't grabbing on fast enough. And it's just... yeah, so I died a lot, but it was a fun game nevertheless. The wind helped and didn't help. The spirits helped and didn't help. To be honest, this would be a much better game for 2 players. But I stuck through it. I made it to the end. Okay. At the end of part 3, wow, that... I was like, don't you touch my fox. But then the evil firebender's like, oh, you threw that at me, huh? You must really care about this fox. Well, let me tell you this. I got emotionally attached to that fox, and when the poor fox died, I was so... my heart shattered at that moment. Just, I didn't cry, but like I was just so beyond shock that I could have cried. The graphics in this game were very good. I'm still curious to know why that evil firebender freak wanted the bola. Probably just to do what he wanted with it, like do more evil things, like hunt caribou, kill caribou, and anyone who would ever stand in his way to stop him, pretty much. My version of his death is he falls into the water, but he can swim. But then the polar bear just suddenly shows up like, oh, hello, you're my friend now. And the evil firebender guy's like, oh no, oh. The owl man wasn't really helpful, honestly. He just wanted his drum, and then that was it. That was all we saw of him. Like, he couldn't have given us a little bit more wisdom, maybe helped us out from time to time. But no, this was the story of a girl and her fox to stop a giant ice man from causing blizzards. A little long-winded song there. Oh, right. I know I didn't bother watching a lot of those insights, the videos from the owls that I came across. I mean, I could probably watch that in my own time if I wanted to. But, I don't know. Special thanks. I guess in a way, if you watch the videos, you can learn a little bit about the history of the, tribe here. I guess, I don't know. I don't read too much into things. Actually, I don't even know what this game is based off of. Why it was made for. I'm sure you're all probably gonna send like comments to explaining why and be like, how dare you not know? I'm just a simple guy who plays games for a living. Well, okay, not for a living, but, you know, it's kind of like a side hobby sort of thing. Is there anything after the creditors? Oh, no. Okay, that's it then. Well, this has been fun. This has been annoying. This has been frustrating. But I'm glad I stuck through it all. So, anyway, thank you everyone so much for watching this gameplay. If you liked this episode, or practically the game series, the gameplay of this game, please like, comment, and share. And don't forget to subscribe to see more in the future. I'll catch you later!